Listen, just be yourself. I'll keep going.
The heel side of the board as well.
Oh.
It's not really. What the hell is he doing?
He's not going anywhere.
He's laughing at him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More than laughing. I want him to fall.
That was too nice. That's one.
Alright, I'm gonna join the party.
Hop, 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 Debu. Hop. He's gonna be pissed when he sees this video. He's like, what the hell you guys do? What the hell?
What is he trying to do?
He's moved what, 10 feet?
In like 2 minutes.
We made. Oh!
You have scratches on your forehead.
Dude, you smell like garbage.
Dale, what
And
happened?
he's like, now what the
He's trying to
hell?
learn the science behind it.
Yeah, it's not
And he's trying to move the board.
I was in the woods.
Yeah, that's what the chick was doing on the thing, was moving the board front and back.
No, I don't. Look, I'm gonna come.
I'm surprised. Actually,
Oh! Another one. What are you surprised?
surprised I figured that out without seeing any video about going like perpendicular.
Yeah.
Don't tell him anything about the video, just put it on Facebook.
Just put it.
Your cell number is written and it's on my fridge, so they could then.
Why would he have
10
both?
seconds till he falls again.
So he only has one on.
Now he does, it looks like. I don't know.
That's what's so flipping scary.
Oh, shit. Oh.
What are you? Somewhere I'm going. No, don't let him go. No, don't.
Yeah, now you're going. You're on there. You're.
We need to begin to prematurely evacuate. Are you hot?
Tying it down. He's just gonna go on it.
Yeah, he's like, I'm going.
And
Is that to half a mile an hour?
We're not going anywhere.
you wanna come here?
No, I can see better here.
No, take a video from here.
I will move over there in a little bit.
With you. Your gun is done.
He might fall before I get over there.
Why would he bear arms? Look, no. We need to go.
Hurry up.
Everyone,
Alright.
I'm leading the parade.
He can.
He's waving. Eddie Boo!
Okay, take it from here. There's just glass. No.
Feet and blanket in the way. Okay.
That's smooth.
There he goes.
Is the jungle, disguised as a wedding, but a jungle.
Now he's more paranoid.
Yeah, he knows we're watching.
Yeah.
Tigers. One who goes straight to the prize, and the one who gets the prize
Oh, he's turned out
to
this
come to him.
Yeah, he's doing it. He's actually following her exactly.
Oh, is he?
To walk, using your leg behind the board and your leg in front of the board to push it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the hell the deal is between the two, but that's what
Push. Oh, so okay. Push with your one that's on the board.
off the board,
Oh, okay.
right?
Oh, that, yeah, that's what I should.
Oh, what? Oh, he's almost out of range on this. You can't fall on me now, Debu. Can't hardly see you. Okay, that's enough of that. Just.